Okay, so we're going to use this tool Generator, which is provided by the Australian Centre for Moving Image. Now you need to register for an account to start with, and what it enables you to do is download free videos, images and sounds, post comments, but it will also enable us to generate this storyboard, which is really relevant to us. So asks you a number of questions, namely, are you 13 and over, year level, gives you a bit of a terms of use, which is important for the kids to understand. Once they agree to that, then they have a username to sign into the storyboard generator. So then once you've got a username, it's just a matter of signing in, and I'm going to sign in with our CloudShare email address, so I'll do that now. Okay, so you can see there it's got my my details there. So once you're signed in, I've gone to generate your own storyboard generator, which is on the right hand side there, and I'm scrolling down to build your own. Now there's a number of tutorials that takes you through that process, like scripting, etc. I'm literally just going to go straight in, and I'm ready, let's go. And so the way this works is in frames. So you can upload images. If you want a particular type of image, you can upload that to locations. Alternatively, you can source the whole library, which is a free Creative Commons library available that you can search for. So I might go with building site. I search for that. Okay, so here we go. We've got a an interior demolition at the moment happening, and I've just dragged that onto my frame. Now down below that frame would be the opportunity to write your script. So this is where I might do an intro. It might be an infomercial or a documentary, etc. So welcome to the workplace health and safety episode for XYZ constructions. Okay, so they go on and they're right there, and it tells you that how long that frame will remain on screen. Now, there's your background. If I go to camera shots, this allows you to drag in a little person there. So, for instance, you might have a person standing at the front of that image. So, you know, it could be on a building site or whatever. You can drag that person in there, and there we go. So they might be saying this script along the side here. You've got 1,000 characters there for that first frame, and then it's just simply a matter of, you know, the second frame might be examples of safe material handling. Now meanwhile, I can save this. So once you generate your account and you're logged in, so you can see there I've got a view profile button, I can keep saving this and come back to that at any time. The other thing worth pointing out here is if I go back to here, obviously students in English have studied the different types of camera angles and the effects that they have. So you know, for instance, if you wanted to give the appearance of authority, then you might do a pan up from there. So that's like a nice little add in there. So it's just a matter of then clipping through, adding images, putting a camera shot, you know, where you want these people to situate on the frame. You might have another person walking across here. Okay, that might be the next frame. Okay, so you get the idea. Once this is done, if I go to next, I'm just gonna, you can see that I can save this to my profile. Okay, I can download the PDF file, which will give me a nice, so you can see once I've hit that download PDF, it's generated a nice little storyboard for me. Just try the use of those images, and kids could drag in images of their own. Now it could be just then a matter of saving this, so it might be Chris's storyboard, save, and that could be then pulled into their portfolio. One of the things that we'd have to ensure back here is that they keep saving their storyboard, so we'll put Chris, Dom and Carol as our group and hit save. So then if I go back to my profile, I can see that there's our storyboard that I could actually come back to and keep editing at any particular time.